company buys some new machinery for $96,000. The value of the machinery halves every year. Copy and complete the table below. Okay, the entry value is in $1,000. So after year one, the value of the machinery is half of 96, which is 48. Half of 96,000, which is 48,000. Then after year two, we halve 48. So the value of the machinery is 24,000. After year three, you halve it again. The machinery is worth 12,000 and halve it again after 4 years. After 4 years, the machinery is worth $6,000. Then we need to draw a graph to show how the value falls. So we're just going to plot these points. The years will be X and the value in $1,000 will be Y. The graph that you draw should look very similar to this, and this illustrates how the machinery devalues over the 4 years. Question 2. The price of a car is $25,000 when it's new. The value falls by 20% each year. Show that the value after 1 year is $20,000. Okay, so we have $25,000 when we buy the car. The value falls by 20% each year. That means that we take the $25,000 and we subtract 20% of its value, and this will give us the price after 1 year, and that's $20,000. Another way of doing this is if the value of the car falls by 20% each year, then after the first year, the car is worth only 80% of the value of the car when it was bought new. So 25,000 times 0.8, not surprisingly, also gives you 20,000. So however you want to work it out, you can use either of those two methods. When the car is bought, that's $25,000. After year one, it's worth 20,000. Then instead of doing the first method, we're just going to take 80% of each value for year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. So 80%, basically we're taking X times 0.8, where X represents every entry after every single year, every value, the value of every car after every year. So 20,000 times 80% is 16,000. Then we multiply 16,000 by 0.8, we get 12,800. Multiply 12,800 by 0.8, 10,240, and then times 0.8, 8,192. When you've plotted all of those points, the graph should look something like that. Then D, how long is it until the car is worth half of its original value? So the original value was $25,000. So we want to know after how long will it be worth half of its value. So we go to 12.5. This mark over here is 13,000. So 12,500 is halfway between that and 12. We then draw with a ruler a horizontal line to the function, and then drop a perpendicular down to the x-axis and read off the value. So this x value is approximately 3.2. So it's approximately after 3.2 years, the car will be worth half its value.